This week in AI, we see a massive leap in video quality that finally meets the demands of Hollywood. A breakthrough that lets you step inside your own photographs as if they were video games. And the emergence of a digital partner that doesn't just wait for your commands, it anticipates them. Welcome to Traficant 3 Weekly Roundup, where we give 3 news in 3 minutes. Let's dive right in.
Luma AI has officially released RAID 3.14,
update to their video generation engine that specifically targets the needs of professional filmmakers and advertisers. The headline feature is native 10th generation, eliminating the need for external upscaling tools that often introduce artifacts. By leveraging their new hyper-temporal reasoning engine, Luma has achieved its highest level of visual stability to date. This architecture understands the physical logic of a scene, ensuring that lighting, character identity, and complex camera movements, like orbits and deep pans, remain consistent without the flickering or drifting common in earlier models. Whether you are swapping a character's wardrobe or redesigning an entire environment in post-production, RAID 3.14 provides the director-grade control necessary to treat AI like a reliable member of the camera crew rather than a random generator. Google DeepMind has introduced Genie 3, a revolutionary foundation world model that can generate interactive, playable environments from a single prompt or image. Unlike traditional video generators that simply produce a linear clip, Genie 3 creates a consistent 3D space with its own internal physics. You can upload a photo of a mountain or even a hand-drawn sketch of a forest, and Genie 3 will transform it into a 720p world that you can actually explore in real time at 24 frames per second. The model allows users to control characters using a keyboard, even though it was never explicitly trained on game engine data or action labels. This release is a critical milestone on the path to AGI because it demonstrates that AI can learn the rules of reality just by watching video. Genie 3 can simulate deformable objects, complex fluid dynamics, and surface waves with startling realism. In a major leap for Agentic AI, the Moldbot project, originally known as Código, has unveiled its most advanced version yet. This isn't just another chatbot. Moldbot represents a shift toward proactive AI. Unlike systems that wait for a command, Moldbot can initiate tasks autonomously. If you give it access to your systems, it can monitor your code repositories overnight, fix failing tests, and have a pull request waiting for you when you wake up. Its integration is massive, working across 50 different messaging platforms including WhatsApp, Slack, and Discord, allowing it to act as a bridge between your digital communications and your technical workflows. Furthermore, the Cobot aspect of the project has made significant strides in robotics. Utilizing a new visual-tactile transformer model, it provides robots with a soft touch previously impossible for rigid machines. This allows robotic claws to manipulate delicate objects with a 98% success rate. Okay, and that's it for this week's AI news. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.